KGUN-9 on your side first warning weather with meteorologist Aaron Bracken.
Check out this video taken 2 days ago in Sallisaw, Oklahoma. It's a small city in the northern part of the state. That is a nighttime tornado. This is about 11:15 at night, one of the most dangerous times for severe weather, especially tornadoes. This happened mostly in rural country. Got report of a barn that was damaged. Luckily, no one injured and no extensive property damage. This tornado was rated an EF1, but gosh, you can just see that lit up by that lightning, the power flashes as it comes in contact with those power lines on the ground. That's what that is right there. And, of course, a little bit of devastation out in the field. So, once again, real good that didn't harm anyone as it went through. More severe weather today. Earlier in the Panhandle, we had 3 supercells lined up, producing a couple tornadoes as well. Those have since calmed down a little bit. Some much-needed rain for the Midwest. Let's head back to our neck of the woods, though. This storm actually connected to the weather we're seeing. It's going to give us a little bit of a cool down. We're seeing some air swirl down in the back side of that. That'll take our temperatures down about 2 to 4 degrees for tomorrow. And then that'll be short-lived because this ridge is really going to build as we go into the late week. Temperatures could near 90 degrees as we look toward your Friday. Some very warm air in place, and it looks to continue for some time. Well, let's go ahead and check out your weather headlines for tomorrow in this part of the country. There's that upper level low. It's going to slightly move off toward the east. Behind it, dry air but cool air will usher its way in. You can bet that's matched with plenty of sunshine in southern Arizona. Wind speeds have calmed down a little bit, in some places down to 0. Sierra Vista and Nogales, a calm breeze. Other locations are still seeing some wind out there from Wilcox to Oracle, double digits. That will also go by the wayside for tonight. It's still very nice, though, in Tucson. 71 is the temperature. Look at Cochise County. We've got some middle 60s hanging out in Wilcox. Even Douglas not doing too bad. You are one of the locations that likes to drop off rather quickly as we see that sun go down. Speaking of dropping off, look at how our temperatures have changed over the last 24 hours. Tucson 2 degrees cooler than this time yesterday. Sells has lost a little bit in the way of temperature as well, setting up for a cooler day on Tuesday. Rain and clouds map shows that we are pulling away some of those residual clouds that we saw prior to sunset. It did give us a nice sunset out there earlier on, and the showers confined to northern Arizona. They'll remain there too because that's where the moisture is. You can see it pooling between Page and Flagstaff and also a little bit south of the border, but you see that very well-defined dry slot right there with the darker colors. That indicates dry air. That also tells us that we'll have clear skies. Here's what Futurecast says. It agrees. It pushes the clouds south as we go into the afternoon hours for tomorrow. Most of that will stay on the Mexican side of the border. So we go to 48 degrees in Sierra Vista tonight, mid-40s in Nogales. Other locations seeing a lot of 50s from Casa Grande to Oro Valley, then right down I-19 to Green Valley, heading right toward 50. We'll add a degree to that in Tucson. 51 is the overnight low. So really near normal with these low temperatures. We'll have a couple high clouds around, light breezes at 5 miles per hour. And there's the cooler temperature for tomorrow. 79 it comes with mostly sunny skies. Real gorgeous weather across the area. We head to 61 in Show Low tomorrow, 85 in Phoenix and Cochise County, generally heading into the lower 70s. Could pick up an upper 70 though in Benson and Bisbee. Over toward Douglas, rather, 77. Here's your 7-day forecast now. 84, a quick recovery with those temperatures on Wednesday. Then there is the 90 on Friday. We keep the warmth all through the weekend as well. 9 on your side at 10. We'll be right back.